Now the next problems on principle of mathematical induction, that is PMI. Okay, now look here. If A is a matrix A cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, then prove that A raised power n is equal to cos n theta sin n theta minus sin n theta cos n theta for every n belongs to natural number. This is the problem based on PMI, which is डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम क्लास फर्स्ट ईयर. ओके, क्लास फर्स्ट ईयर में पीएमआई हटा दिया गया था, ठीक है, लेकिन फिर भी टेक दिस एग्जांपल विच इज बेस्ड ऑन द पीएमआई. ऑलराइट, नाउ सॉल्यूशन. दिस स्टेटमेंट इज कॉल्ड द मैथमेटिकल स्टेटमेंट विच इज टू प्रूफ हियर. ऑलराइट, जिसको प्रूफ करना है, दिस इज कॉल्ड द इंडक्शन, दैट इज कॉल्ड द mathematical statement. So what is mathematical statement here? Let Pn such that a raised power n is equal to cos n theta minus sin n theta sin n theta cos n theta for every n belongs to natural number be a mathematical statement. Okay, mathematical statement. Now what is mathematical statement? What is mathematical statement? A statement which is either true or false is called a mathematical statement. Let Pn, that means a statement which involves only a natural numbers. Alright, so this is called the mathematical statement which is to be proved by using induction method. So basic step, now check for n is equal to 1. Check whether this statement is true for n is equal to 1. Now left hand side a raised to power 1, which is a, which is equal to, now put n is equal to 1 here, you will get cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Alright, which is right hand side. So this implies that P1 is true. That means this statement is true when n is equal to 1. Okay, the assumption step. Assumption step is meant for n is equal to k, where k is any arbitrarily chosen natural number. Let us suppose Pk is true. Suppose Pk is true. Okay, suppose Pk is true, that means how can you get the Pk? Put n is equal to k here in statement, in mathematical statement. Now suppose Pk is true, that is a raised to power k is equal to cos k theta sin k theta. Now put n is equal to k here. So this is minus sin k theta cos k theta. Okay, this is equation number 2. Let us suppose this is true. Now induction step. Induction step is known for n is equal to k plus 1. K plus 1 is the successor of k. Okay, now k is any arbitrary chosen number. So we have to prove that a k plus 1 is equal to cos of k plus 1 theta sin of k plus 1 theta minus sin of k plus 1 times theta cos of k plus 1 theta by using assumption step. You have to prove this result by using assumption step. Okay. Now proof. Left hand side, that is a raised to power k plus 1, now by using Anderson's law, which is a raised to power k into 1. Now what is the value of k? You have to suppose that this is true. So what is the ak? Ak, using equation number 2 here, ak is cos k theta sin k theta minus sin k theta cos k theta. All right. Now a is cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. This is of matrix of order 2 cross 2. This is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. So the final matrix becomes of order 2 cross 2, which is A11, A12, A21, A22 of order 2 cross 2. Now find the value of A11. A11 is first row of this is multiplied by first column of post multiplier. So this is equal to cos k theta plus sin k theta minus sin theta, which is cos k theta minus sin k theta sin theta. All right. So this is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, which is the expansion of A plus B cos theta k theta plus theta, which can be written as cos of k plus 1 times theta. Okay. Now A12 first row multiplied by second column, that is cos k theta sin theta plus sin k theta cos theta, which is the expansion of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, which is the expansion of sin k theta plus theta. That is, this can be written as sin of k plus 1 times theta. Similarly, A21. Now A21 is second row first column minus sin k theta cos theta minus cos k theta sin theta. Now take minus sign as a common factor. So this is sin k theta into cos. This is sin k theta. Okay. So my sin k theta cos theta my plus cos k theta sin theta, which is minus sin of k plus 1 times theta. Similarly, A22 is equal to second row second column minus sin k theta sin theta plus cos k theta cos theta, which is the expansion of cos of k plus 1 times theta. Now substitute the value here. So left hand side becomes, this is cos k plus 1 times theta sin k plus 1 times theta minus sin k plus 1 times theta cos k plus 1 times theta, which is equal to right hand side. So this implies that pk plus 1 is true. Okay. Hence Pn is true for every n belongs to natural number. All right. So this is the problem which is based on principle of mathematical induction by using the matrix multiplication. Okay.